Alright. It is 8:25 p.m. and I am headed to go get some food because honestly I got my period earlier today and I am in absolutely no mood to make food. I will most likely regret the fact that I am going to go get takeout, but that is because I'm about to pack, like you guys saw in the title. We're leaving for San Antonio, Austin, and Dallas in practically a day. It's Monday night and we leave on Wednesday, so we technically only have Tuesday. We do leave like Wednesday afternoon because it's gonna be a road trip, but I mean, still, if I don't pack most of the stuff today, I will not have anything ready by then. Anyway, I feel like I already talked a lot for 1:45. That's without editing, so let's get the food and then go back. Alrighty, so this is the luggage I'm taking. Chris thought it was a little exaggerated, but we gotta keep in mind that I might bring stuff back, and also that I'm not restricting myself from taking outfit ideas because mujer prevenida vale por dos. ¿Verdad, mi amor? It might seem like a lot of clothing, but there's a lot of events going on, so I gotta be prepared. The one thing I'm taking for sure is this cute skirt that I actually thrifted. Mira, mi amor, traer también la Mishi en la maleta. Mira. For that, I'm taking these shorts because I want to be comfy. Okay, or I might also take... Why are you throwing stuff at me? Okay, this dress is for Dallas because I really want to go to their... They have like a tulip garden there, and then Love Shack Fancy is also there, which I'm 100% going. And I don't know if we're going to the pool or not, but just in case, I'm going to take this swimsuit. This actually was supposed to be for a honeymoon and I never used it. So I'm gonna use it now. John Mayer. I don't know what I'm gonna wear for John Mayer. I'm also taking one pair of mom jeans because I really don't want to wear jeans that much. But who knows. But then it's also gonna be raining some days, so I might even have to. I'm taking another dress. Okay, hold up. And then I also have an extra shirt. So I gotta look for more outfit ideas. I'll be back. Okay, I think I finally have it figured out. Oh, I do not think I'm going to take this shirt because honestly I don't think I'm going to wear it, so I'm going to take this one out. And then now shoes. I do not want to be wearing sneakers the whole time, so I'm just going to take one pair of sandals, probably. But these I wear a lot. They're actually already a little wasted because I wear them too much. These are going to be my pair of shoes, so we're good with clothes. I think clothes should have been on this side, but it's okay. We're taking these sandals, and then we are going to be taking these booties, which will most likely go with the skirt outfit. You think I should take a pair of heels for like a dinner? So I'm going to take my handy dandy wannabe Doc Martens, but they're so cute. Should I take these Converse or my white Converse?
No, those.
Okay. And then lastly, I'm going to be taking my Jordans because Chris is also going to be taking his baby blue Jordans so that we can match. Alrighty, we've got our shoes packed.
Later.
Alrighty. It's not the next day, but it's the day that we leave, and I'm going to finish packing. I'm going to take all Chris's and I's both toiletries in this.
Both things?
Our toiletries. Aquí en esta. I bought sunscreen because I would not on earth go out without it to like theme parks or anything like that. And I bought this because the Vaseline, we actually ran out of lotion, like body lotion, so I tried the Vaseline that I bought. And I don't think that's enough. Like, I really love this one, so I'm gonna take this one. And then I bought Tylenol just in case, but I feel like this should probably go in my backpack instead. Also, micellar water for taking off my makeup, the Ordinary mask because And then the Ordinary serum that I use for my face, my chapstick, my eye cream, my face cream. The second face cream that I use, I have some SPF but for my face. Also ibuprofen, but that's gonna go in my backpack. Toothbrush and the makeup removing cotton pads. And Chris just bought this kit that has like a bunch of stuff for him instead of buying individually like I did. Oh my god. What? It's my stuff and your stuff.
I can take my stuff.
Well, your stuff is here.
Exactly.
It's everything I need.
No estás exagerada,
Babe, come look and tell me that there's something I don't need to take. Look, this is for okay. Great.